Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And I do all kinds of videos. I get special requests, I'll do those. I see something weird or different, I'll sometimes try that. Which brings me to today's subject matter. Some of you have probably seen those hilarious commercials on a deodorant product. Well, I didn't want to be left out, so I had to get it, and it's called Lume. It's Lume Deodorant 72-hour odor control. It says for underarms and private parts. Now, I'm not using it under my arms, because I got a deodorant that I really like, that's a natural kind of deodorant, because I don't really sweat a lot. I don't like stinky that much. Which led me to something else. Why I wanted to try it too is because, I'm an older granny. I'm in my 70s. A lot of grannies are younger than me, but I'm in my 70s. And I know back when I was growing up, we used to kid around as kids and say the old ladies must have cobwebs between their legs. Because we thought nobody would want to have sex with them, and they probably smell all the time, and, all these little fallacies about grannies. Well, yeah, everybody has certain spots with odors that maybe produce some kind of odor. And maybe nobody else ever notices it, but we smell it because it's on us. So I thought, okay, I've got some spots. I'm not going to use it under my arms, which is why I got the tube. And that way I just squeeze it on my finger and rub it where I want to rub it. I don't want to use a deodorant under my arms that I've used maybe in the hoo-ha area, So that's why I tried this one, which is a nice squeeze. I got it in the Coconut Crush scent because I love the smell of coconut in products. However, to me, it smelled like spit. Maybe it's just me, probably is. I have an ultra keen sense of smell. Ultra. I thank my mother for that. I smell things before people do, other people do. So, it says a whole body deodorant. Pits, feet, privates. No, I didn't try it on my feet, but I tried it, like when you're big busted. You know what I mean, lady. You get sweat under your boobs. So I put some under there. Of course, I put it in my privates. I didn't put it in my privates. They say not to put it inside. It's just for the outside. And, you take a pea-sized amount and apply externally anywhere in your body. So I've got about quite a few areas I tried it on. And like Bob would say, but you don't smell those areas. Well, to me, I do. Did I like it? Yes. It works. It really does work. So, I'm going to try, I'm saving this for a cruise because, I'll be sweating more. Oh, and I should add that being here in Yuma in this 80, 90 degree weather, we're still not 90s yet, but pretty close. This is a perfect area to try this kind of stuff, So, oh, hi Lou. Lou asked me this morning, should she try some of this on her butt? No, she's embarrassed. She ran out. She says, geez, Mom, you got to tell them everything. So I ended up getting this one from Amazon. So you can find them a lot more places than just the thing you click on for their ad on the YouTube videos. So I don't remember what I spent, but yeah, I would rate this an A. I'll use it probably till it's gone. So comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope I've enlightened some of you on whether you should use this or not in this form instead of a deodorant style. Oh, I hope you're all having a good day. I love you all. Bye.